2011 Ford F-150 XLT 5.0 Coyote. What is it? I'm supposed to say Coyote, not burp.
That's badass.
He drinks all my soda. Look.
To be fair, I bought this one.
You bought that one? Okay, we'll let you slide. Anyways, here's the truck. What we done on it. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Y pipe. Then it continues. Then we took the resonator off. That goes right there. Added a Dynomax race bullet part number 24250. Then ran 2.5-inch pipe and took the muffler off and the resonator. Ran it out the side because, you know, why not? Side exhaust right there. He brought his own tip. We installed it for him. Check it out, guys. Clean, nice, to the point. Nothing crazy, nothing over the board. Just clean. We'll let you guys hear it. Stay tuned. There we go. Ford F-150 5.0 side exhaust with a Dynomax bullet. Decibels on it. It's probably about 115 because that side is over there and the sound decibels is all the way around the side. So it's about 115, I would say. What do you think? He likes. Looking truck. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Willie Nelson Outlaw. One second, guys.